Naka and greetings to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to note that the participants in this PDP will soon be employees of the approved employers in Australia. And it is so nice to see these smiling and happy faces ready to fly the Fiji flag under this government-to-government scheme to mobilize workers from here to work in Australia. Dear participants, from your smiles I can see that you all realize the value and importance of this scheme and your participation in it. I would like you to carry those famous Fijian smiles and can-do attitude to your new work assignment in Australia. For many of you, this would be a life-changing experience that adds value, both material in terms of money, but also skills during your work there. Last week must have been one of the busiest you have ever met. While your mind is still grappling with the fact that you will be leaving our shores this week, the pre-departure briefing is also adding to the number of things that your mind will have to consume. And I ask that you remain calm and take it one at a time and make yourself well prepared for a new working journey in Australia. Luckily, the PDP has also taught you how to plan yourself on the last few days you have in Fiji and for the rest of your days working and living in Australia. Not forgetting the goals you have set out to achieve when you return home. Australia is big, and there will be so many new things to learn and do there. For the first few weeks, it will be a little bit hard, but remember your training and most of all, remember what motivated you to go, your goals and aspirations. Remember the faces of those that you love back here at home. Remember the good things that will be happening to you and your family as you go. Remember that you are the door that can open so many opportunities for your fellow Fijians. And when you feel homesick, please remember the great smile and the gain to be made and how your work there will help you and your family into the future. Homesickness can and should be passing. So keep in touch with family and also use this time to make new friends and establish support network in your new work environment. You are very fortunate to be part of this labor mobility program. You will well looked after by your employers, the Pacific Labour Facility and the National Employment Center here in Fiji. Make use of this opportunity. Always remember who your team is, who has your back, your family, the government of Australia and Fiji under the Bala partnership. Your team, as mentioned before, have done so much to make that this opportunity a reality for you and will continue to support you day and night to make sure that you are well looked after. Your employment is secure and so is your investment back home here in Fiji. Absconding should not be an option for you. Remember that. For no other team other than the Bala partnership and your Bubale at home will look after you and the people that you love. Our current work placement in Australia, through their volunteer work during the recent flood and Happy Fijian Smiles, have created a great impression for all Fijians. Remember that. You all are aware of that. Do not do anything to make this impression change into the negative. At this impact, all Fijians and you as proud ambassadors of Fiji should put your community, family, and the nation first in all things that you do. The Fiji First government has established and grown this specific labor mobility scheme, open to ensure sustainable and ongoing work for more and more Fijians. Please keep this in mind and use it as an incentive to work hard, save hard, and contribute to your Bubale back home. And I thank the Australian government for recognizing the role of family of the Bubale in naming our ongoing partnership under the umbrella of the family as the Bubale Partnership and all that it means to us as Fijians and Australians. After today, go home, keep up with your preparation and practice what you have learned here at the PPP. Use what you have learned to reduce your stress. Use what you have learned to work better. Use what you have learned to save. Use what you have learned to make your family proud. And do not forget to use what you have learned to show in Australia that you have the right skills, the knowledge, and I can do it attitude. And that there is plenty of that where you came from. So with those few words, I wish you all the best. God bless your families and you, and more importantly, your journey. Madamada, Inaka, and thank you.